Good afternoon. We are in beautiful Surprise, Arizona. This is my new listing at 17190 North at Joshua Path. We are in Sun Village in the section called Zuni. This beautiful home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,494 square feet, built in 1990. Taxes on this gorgeous home are only $1,494. Your HOA fee is around $330 a month. That includes clubhouse, rec center, fitness, pools, spas. There's also a golf course. Tons to do out here in beautiful Zuni, Sun Village. This particular home has back lot views of the pool. That is Zuni pool. Zuni only residents can use that. So if you live in Sun Village, you cannot use that pool or that area unless you are in Zuni. So it definitely keeps it a little bit more quieter, I would think. Less homes, less people in this section. This home also has many upgrades: kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, paint. Once you enter, you'll see it's an absolutely stunning home, super cozy. This home is an original owner property, so lots of pride of ownership here. So right here, when we're entering, we have this beautiful entry. Which then leads into the kitchen. So the kitchen area is laid out pretty well. It has a little breakfast nook right there. Lots of windows, lots of bright light, and beautiful views. I mean, we are in Arizona, but look at this. Lots of grass. This property has so many plants, so much life. It's absolutely beautiful. You have a breakfast bar. Beautiful window over the sink. Cabinets are all upgraded, which are nice. Not a bad view to make morning coffee. So as you can see, all the cabinets are pretty good in size. I mean, you even have the nice drawers. What I like about these drawers is it's great to put pans in. I prefer the drawers over cabinets for that reason. You have a built-in fridge right here. So everything looks beautiful, super move-in ready. This home is definitely waiting for its new owners, right in time for the holidays. We just hit the market, so it is ready for you. This right here is the 3rd bedroom. They have it set up as the den, which works out pretty nice. Again, you have a lot of great lighting in here. The whole home is a beautiful neutral color. And it's a split floor plan. So if we head this way, you would hit the primary bedroom. And we're gonna end up going this way first. And this will bring us to the laundry room, garage, and 2nd bedroom. This one also has indoor laundry, which is super nice. Sometimes the laundry will be in the garages out here in this area. You have a nice sink right there. Again, everything's pretty much move-in ready. Brand new shower. They have a nice glass tile up top. And we have this cozy bedroom up here, and they have the cute built-ins. There are plantation shutters throughout the property. This is a good size room. Closet space is amazing in here too. So you have built-in closet features in the guest bedroom, which is nice. You can never have enough storage. Also have a walk-in pantry right here. And another coat closet. So again, if you need storage, this house has a lot of storage, a lot of character, tons of upgrades. There's been so much done. We have all the disclosures, everything's ready to go. Again, it's a lot of upgrades, a move-in ready home. It's coming fully furnished. Sellers obviously will be taking out some personal items and some artwork, but everything else will pretty much stay with this home, making it a great find. We're gonna head into the primary bedroom next. Same flooring throughout and nice tall ceilings in here. So it's a great room. You do have access to the outdoor patio from here. Double sinks. You do get a walk-in closet. It's pretty good size. And another walk-in shower. Great home, great opportunity. So this beautiful home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, $14.94 in the square footage. Out in Surprise, Arizona.
Huh?
And this is your backyard views right here. So you have a nice covered patio area. And they did do tile all the way out here. You have a bar set up. Again, absolutely adorable. So if you're in the neighborhood and you're thinking it's time to buy a new home, you're looking for a winter getaway, this could be it. This could be like where you spend your winters. When it's snowing, you're out here just relaxing, playing golf. If it's a home you'd like to see, you want more info, please let me know.
Okay.
They are taking pictures and
Oh, sure, personal, yeah, personal things.
And right now I think we're at 410, 850.
What it says here.
Yeah. Okay.